Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number third bit 275. We have to check this number 275. It is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we will check the number 275 is divisible by 2 or not. Divisibility of 2. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is divisible by 2. Here unit place digit of 275 is 5, which is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 2. So 275 is not divisible by 2. Now we will check this number 275 is divisible by 3 or not. We know sum of digit, that is digit sum of the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here sum of digit of the number 275 is 2 plus 7 plus 5 and 2 plus 7 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 is 14 and 14 is not divisible by 3. So this number 275 is not divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 275 is divisible by 4 or not. We know any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4. Here last two digit of the number is 75 and 75 is not divisible by 4. If we divide this 75 with 4, then 4 1 ja 4, 35 and 4 8 ja 32. 3 is the remainder. So 75 is not divisible by 4. So 275 is not divisible by 4. Now you will check the number 275 is divisible by 5 or not. We know any number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Here last digit, that is unit place digit of 275 is 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5, so 275 is divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 275 is divisible by 6 or not. We know any number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. 6 is the multiplication of 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So here first we will check the number 275 is divisible by 2 or not. Here last digit of the number is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So the number 275 is not divisible by 2. Now we'll check the number 275 is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of digit of the number 275 is 2 plus 7 plus 5 and it is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So the number 275 is not divisible by 3. The number 275 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit 5 is not divisible by 2 and the sum of digit of the number is 14 which is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number 275 is not divisible by 6 because this number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. Now we will check the number is divisible by 8 or not. We know a last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Here last 3 digit of the number 275 is 275 and 275 if we divide 275 with 8 then 8 3 is 24, 35, 8 4 is 32 and the remainder is 3. So 275 is not divisible by 8. So 275 is not divisible by 8. Now we will check the number is divisible by 9 or not. Now sum of digit of the number 275 is 2 plus 7 plus 5 and 2 plus 7 plus 5 is 14 and 14 is not divisible by 9. So this number 275 is not divisible by 9. Now we will check the number 275 is divisible by 10 or not. We know 10 is the multiplication of 2 and 5. 10 is the multiplication of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5 then the number is divisible by 10. So first we will check the number 275 is divisible by 2 or not. Your last digit, that is unit place digit, is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So this number 275 is not divisible by 2. Now we will check the number 275 is divisible by 5 or not. Here last digit, that is unit place digit of the number 275 is 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So this number 275 is divisible by 5. 275 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit 5 is not divisible by 2, and 275 is divisible by 5 only. So 275 is not divisible by 10. Is not divisible by 10 because it is not divisible by 2. So this number 275 is not divisible by 10. Now we will check the number 275 is divisible by 11 or not. We know sum of the digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places is differ by 0 or 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Now sum of digits at odd place is 2 plus 5 and sum of digits at even place is 7. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. And 0 is divisible by 11. Now this number 275 is not 275 is divisible by 11. Now 275 it is found that in 275 is not divisible by 2 because the unit place digit is 5 which is not divisible by 2, and sum of digits of the number is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So this number 275 is not divisible by 3. And 75 last two digits is 75 which is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. And last digit is 5 which is divisible by 5. So 275 is divisible by 5. And the number is divisible by 3 only. 275 is divisible by 6 or not. Here the number is not divisible by 2 because last digit is 5 which is not divisible by 5, and the number is not divisible by 3 because the sum of digit is 14 which is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number 275 is not divisible by 6. Now last three digit of the number is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Now sum of digit of the number is 14 which is not divisible by 9. So this number 275 is not divisible by 9. And now the number is not divisible by 2 and this number is divisible by 5 only. So this number 275 is not divisible by 10 because it is not divisible by 2. And the sum of digits at the odd place and sum of digits at even place difference is 7 minus 7 is 0 which is divisible by 11. So this number 275 is divisible by 11. So the number 275 is divisible by 5 and 11 only. And this number is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So 275 is divisible by only 5 and 11. subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.